Sadbhavana Divas, Shubhkamna. Am I communicating properly, Prakash sir? Thank you. Anyway, the wonderful time once again with you, my dear children. Already we have missed a few important days in our academic calendar. Might be the different reasons, holidays, festivals, celebrations. But this is a very important time. We have to come again, recharge. Already academic year, almost all 3 months we have completed. Right? Almost all little bit of period is there with you. So whatever the way you give towards your destination, definitely you may get extraordinary. So I don't want to waste your valuable time. Celebrations only. Once you come into the track, you should like a warrior, should like a soldier, should like a committed, rigorous, hard worker. Then only we will come into this world now. Already yesterday you were busy with the Rocky celebrations. Before that one there was holiday. Before that one Independence Day. So many celebrations were completed. Whatever the activeness, whatever the curiosity you have rendered towards such kind of celebrations. But every day is a celebration to us. Being a student, it's our duty. So how you are going to get recharged with the help of such kind of assembly proceedings? Definitely it reminds you, wow, you are having important tasks in front of you. But one thing I would like to say clearly. For example, you see here, there is a tree. Ready to accept any kind of water. If you pour dirty water, ready to absorb. Rainwater also she accepts. Pure water also she accepts. Dirty water does not stop her from growing. What a adjustment nature God has given to that wonderful plant. So people are there in the society, they are ready to throw some rumors, negative words, this and that. But such kind of negative words, let it keep aside only. They may not stop your growth and progress. It's very important. Self-motivation is very important. From bottom of what I can say, all wonderful pillars are there. Officials in JGHS, from Rajkumar to the new child. Everybody, Rajalakshmi Garu, Rama, Prakash sir, Irshad, Sridhar Reddy Garu, Shubhodayam, Ashok, newly Maheshwari Garu, senior teacher, Vinaya, Jhansi, Divya, and my beloved sister, Nikat, and wonderful main active people, both PETs. These are the people there to give the best one to you, Nana. But what is our duty? You have to just adapt them. What way? In neat manner. Sadbhavana बोले तो मेरे ख्याल से वो thought कहते हैं ना, thinking. Good behavior is first important, Nana. If you approach your concerned teachers with a neat and fine manner, definitely they will come with extraordinary information. And forget our Krishna also there. Anyway, he's looking like a student. That's the reason he's giving a scar to his 10th class boys. So please, boys and girls, please utilize from now onwards. Again, you better to active your mind. Always, it is very sharp, you know. But we only just giving a rest to her. But he never accepts. Whatever the workload, you better to give that particular mind ready to generate in number of things. We have witnessed so many programs on the munch already at the time of Independence Day, and what we celebrated before this one, Bonanu, last event, Raksha Bandhan. What a great skits my student exhibited on the dice. Have you got any help from Rajkumar? What we can say, directors of Telugu film industry or Hindi film industry? Not at all, no? Just you have given received guidelines from your concerned teachers, dialogue deliverance. Even bache log also be really they spoke very well, no? That much wonderful talent is there with you. Please do utilize. So definitely, whatever you think, that you will become. I hope definitely every day is a very auspicious day. Every single minute is very important, Nana. Please, being a student, try to capture everything. Yes, we should possess like a good nature, good adjustment nature like our trees. She never comes with complaint. Always adjustment is better than argument. If you go and argue, ultimately every issue definitely will damage you, destroy you. Always we are ready to check where we are good at, where we are back. So what I have to do? Approach your concerned teachers and improve your skills. Please improve your skills. First and the foremost thing, every child should please go with extraordinary English language. That's very important. It's a tool. For example, if you have any ambiguity, any doubt, whether you want to get information from your Google, yeah, YouTube is there with you. Extraordinary, different apps are there. But what is the tool to get information from them? Yeah, that particular bridge is nothing but language. If you are having a good language with you, there is a chance to get always extraordinary doubts clarification. So many officials, so many experts regarding eminent personalities in education department, they are really sending information. Whether you go and see the mathematics, how we can solve this problem in different manner. Just you type and send it. It comes with answers. It comes with answers. Am I correct or not? Whether it is whatever the question you give to the concerned app, come in number of ways. What is the shortest way? You ask, she can tell you. But how you are going to communicate with the help of only one source? That source is language. It's your duty. Kids are communicating in fine manner. Why we people? Because of negligence. Because of negligence, we are unable to get command on that.